What's up, my beautiful people? Today I am meeting up at my mom's house with all of my cousins. They came down from the Bay. I cannot tell you guys how freaking excited I am. Armani is like in the corner whining because he's in his bag right now. Yes, he's in a pink bag. I love pink, so why not? They surprised us, and what I'm going to do, I've been having this prank in my head for a long time, so I'm gonna show you guys when I get in there. But basically, I bought 5 pairs of the longest lashes that I could possibly find. I believe these are 40mm lashes, but they are so long. I got them from Amazon and it took about like 2 weeks to get to me, and I said it was gonna get to me in a month, and I was like, girl, I see a giraffe. So you already know what to do with that bag.
What?
We're gonna do it later on.
Okay. Very mojito.
That makes your lips bigger.
What makes your lips bigger?
Yeah, it's like a lip balm.
This is cute. Mother,
It's
we're
pretty
sharing
cute.
this. What is that?
Oh, what did you get me though? Oh man.
It's your butthole.
Yo, Aidette, these are cute. Ew, my face can, like, my face ID can still see me.
So these are the lashes.
Wait, I'm gonna FaceTime Diego and see what he says.
Okay.
They're cute though, huh? Look. Yes.
No reaction at all. I'm gonna need you to wear these today.
For freak, what? Why?
Anthony, I'm gonna need you to wear these today.
A few inches later.
World's largest lashes.
These are Wombo. Wombo.
Wombo.
If I wear like a mustache.
Wombology.
Are we all doing it?
Yes. Like, take them off carefully. Bang. Why is that extra dramatic?
Ooh, yes. They just like poke out.
Wait, glue?
Look at how long that is.
Bang. Why is that extra dramatic?
Extra thick.
Ooh, yes. They just like poke out.
Let me see. Where's the glue? Oh, here you go.
Wait, glue?
It's not Gorilla Glue. Yeah, it's gonna
I
like.
don't trust you guys.
It's why would I put Gorilla Glue on your eye?
Did I ever say it was Gorilla Glue? What if it's like crazy glue?
It'll come off. You just have to rip it. No, I'm just kidding. You don't have to rip it. You just take it off.
Wait, I feel like I should put these dramatic ones on. Hold on, you get these, Frankie.
What is wrong with you?
Dang, Frankie, I didn't know you want to look that good.
I know, you got so mad about it.
You got so offended.
Okay, you see these little tiny little edges right here?
Mm-hmm.
Just snip that off. Make them go up more so they're more dramatic. If you can. Like,
You can see my eyelids.
Yes.
Skin. Let me go closer.
it was fake.
Of course they were fake!
Ew, look, it like folded in. Put both of them on one
You need
eye.
to put water
That's
now.
so dramatic. Look.
I was so surprised that these were cheap.
Look, I put both of them on one. Ew.
No, you just know
Positive.
so I can take it out. It's bad.
It's not bad.
Ew.
Watch it with the eyelashes, watch it without the lashes. Stop.
Cause she got the cool ones that I had.
These are the same ones though. Wait,
they're small.
ew. I think they're all kind of different.
Yeah.
Okay, now time to put these on Antoine. You want to put them on Fingered? Come here.
What side is this side?
Alright.
Here, make it so we're ass cheek to ass cheek.
It's not powdered yet. Ew.
I do not condone this.
What's that one TikTok about the fart? A fart transplant?
Ew. Don't flinch.
Yeah, don't.
You're saying
Wait,
don't
come-
flinch is gonna make me flinch.
Open. Me being an eyelash veteran and not needing tweezers.
I can't see
Ew,
anything.
look at Frankie.
Yes, you are. No, I bet you can do this for me.
I'm scared.
Don't open it.
It's not open.
The whole I just saw you blink.
Because I'm blinking with this one. So my eyelid automatically move.
Stop, I love this. This is some great cousin bonding. Ew. What
What do you mean? You already put makeup on me once?
What?
2 hours later.
Eyelids.
It's going in.
Stop your lies.
I can't open my eyes.
Slowly.
I'm scared to open my eyes.
I'm scared.
Look at Anthony. He looks like your mom.
Our eyelids are gonna fall off.
Wait. No, you're not.
I cannot see anything.
What's his name?
Yeah, this one is fine.
And then it's lopsided.
It's okay.
I'm gonna put the long ones by the mascara.
Going for a
Makeup.
natural look today.
Yeah. I'm going out to brunch with family. It's really enhanced now.
Answered.
Just leave it open. We'll just add extra
Ew.
buttons.
I got that thing on my finger.
I like how you have to be a mile away to get his eyelashes.
Exactly a mile away.
You gotta get the
ones in the inside too a little bit.
Stop.
Oh, Frankie, you're looking like a real birthday boy now.
One time for the birthday.
I feel like I look like that girl from what's that one show?
Emperor's New Groove.
Yeah.
Insert picture here.
Sylvia.
Whoa, look at these wrinkles. What is holding this woman together?
How do they look? How do they look? This is actually fantastic. So this is our final look.
I feel like I got that growth serum from SpongeBob.
40 lashes.
What's gonna happen to us?
We'll probably get 40 lashes.
Oh no!
Let me start flirting with people.
So right now we're making aguachiles. And right now I have
A cebola?
a cebola.
What is that?
Watermelon?
Several bad puns later.
What are you doing? What? Just chilling in the lashes. We decided to cut half of the extra pair that we had and just put it on the other side.
Oh my god. Because it actually looks like really good. Perfect.
Wait, I kind of want to make it all the way to my hairline.
Ew.
Ew, how's it gonna look when we take off our lash?
I'm gonna try.
There you go. Does the inner cat eye? Ew.
That's
No,
eyelashes.
you look like Michael Jackson.
You e-girls could never. Sorry, but y'all can never.
I think we got the vibes down. Hey, yo. Public.
Off
No.
Aidette, I'm all Yankees off. You don't take them off.
Okay, I'll take them off.
Take them off right now. Oh, you're taking too long.
We're gonna go right now.
Scratching my nose and my forehead at the same time. Take them off.
Later.
Freaking Anthony quit, so we were stacking 3 lashes.
Exactly.
No, put them under.
Under?
Put them under.
I already put it.
Should it go like this? Mommy, should it go like this?
Yes.
He doesn't read me anymore.
Oh my god, it's a spider! Answer.
Please answer.
The 40mm lashes!
Are you guys gonna go around? Yeah. Yeah. It's time. We're going to the grocery store. Everyone's looking at us right now. The kids are like in the behind us. You made the baby cry?
I almost did. I feel so bad. I was like, hi baby. And he just was like looking down the whole time.
I literally just shit myself. Oh, the very last?
Oh, we're just gonna get guac.
You really look ravishing today.
Thank you. You as well. Where's the miles? I want to be spiced out tonight. We're having some aguachile with it. So it's pretty spicy. I want to make sure like I don't cry my lashes off if it's like, you know.
Well, we don't want to cry those off.
Do you make this fruit? Like, do you grow it yourself?
I wish. So you might only have to pay like $1.
Oh, I just want the core. Thanks for the offer though. You can keep that. Have a great day. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. I can't.
Us being hot today.
Wait, let me take a picture from up here. Then we can hold it.
Yeah,
with our lashes. So there's a Karen behind us, and she got mad because we were taking a while with the Apple Pay.
1 second. Sorry. I don't want to keep you here all day. I'm here till 7 either way, so whatever. Alright. I'll wait till 7.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
You might get beamed upside the head or something?
Oh, I hope. Is that a threat? We didn't bring our cards on accident.
Is that the Ace family?
Oh my god, I'm dead.
Austin, please.
Want my autograph?
Yes,
please.
please. Do you have a pen?
Wait,
Am
oh
I
my
on a
god, wait.
vlog?
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's Lil Huddy
Huddy.
and Logan
Can I get
Paul.
some guacamole?
No.
Bro.
Here, sign me with my mascara.
No.
First
Why
you
are your
go-
eyelashes
first-
so long?
First you...
One debt to society later.
There's a bunch of Karens that got mad at us.
Why?
Just because they're Karens. Alright guys, it's time for the removal. Oh, we're gonna save these for when we all go on a family vacation. Oh, wow. I'm sorry for this chaoticness. If you guys ever want me to film something else dramatic, crazy, let me know in the comments down below. Bye guys.